Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Eric with RangeMaster, and today I just wanted to make a quick video about the RangeMaster Partners affiliate program that we're launching. And it's really easy to get signed up, so this won't take very long. So let's have a look. If you go to our main webpage at myrangemaster.com and you scroll all the way down to the bottom, you're going to see a Become a Partner link under Useful Links in the footer. Go ahead and click that. And just fill out this quick form. Let's do Bob Test, and just fill in how will you promote us. YouTube channel, if I can type, Instagram, Facebook groups, whatever you are going to do, and then go ahead and click on the terms of service. It's worth reading. There's some do's and don'ts in here about coupon and deal sites, pay-per-click policy, all that kind of stuff. It's really important to read it and understand the terms of using the program. And once you do that, go ahead and check that you agree and click register as an affiliate. And once you do this, the system's going to put you into a pending queue. And once I have a chance to review it and get you approved, you'll have full access and start getting credit for your referrals. Just to go into the admin section a little bit here, or the dashboard, the most important thing to learn to do is actually how to create affiliate links that go directly to a product. So it shows you your affiliate link to our main homepage, but a lot of the times you're going to be recommending a specific product. And in order to do that, what you want to do is go back to our website and go into the shop. And then from here, find the product that you want to recommend, and then grab the URL from the address bar, go to your affiliate link section in your dashboard, paste that right there, and then this is your link that you're going to want to use to refer people to the site. And it'll take them right to the product that you want to refer them to, and you'll get credit for that sale. Another way that you can do it is if you're going to be on your YouTube channel and you want to promote it in your videos, or if you're going to be on a podcast and you're only going to be able to talk about your offer, obviously you're not going to be able to do a link that way. So what we can do is create a special coupon code just for you. And anytime that somebody uses that coupon code, you're going to get credit for that referral. So that's kind of a nice way if you're doing off-screen promotion, or you can't use a link, we can do that for you. All you got to do is reach out to me directly. My email is Eric, ERIC, at myrangemaster.com, and I'll get you hooked up with some kind of a coupon there. Other than that, you can just browse around and see your visits, any payouts that you've had, and in settings you can change your PayPal email if that ever changes. And so that's pretty much it. Once you sign up, just be on the lookout for your approval email, which usually happens within 24 hours, usually actually much shorter than that. I get to it as soon as I can, but then you're good to go. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the inside.